Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient. This means our bodies cannot produce it. We must obtain it from our diet. B12 plays a crucial role in many bodily functions. These include cell growth and development, energy production, and DNA synthesis. Think of B12 as a spark plug for your brain and nervous system. Without it, your body can't function at its best. You may experience a range of symptoms from mild fatigue to severe neurological problems. This essay delves into the critical role of vitamin B12 in maintaining both mental and physical well-being. We'll uncover the often overlooked connection between B12 deficiency and a wide range of health issues. We'll also explore the best dietary sources of this vital nutrient. By understanding the importance of B12 and how to obtain it naturally, you can take charge of your health. This will help you enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling life. B12 deficiency is more common than you might think. It affects millions of people worldwide. Often, people remain undiagnosed for years. This is because the symptoms can be subtle and easily mistaken for other conditions. Certain groups are particularly susceptible to B12 deficiency. These include older adults, vegans and vegetarians, individuals with digestive disorders, and those taking certain medications. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food naturally declines. Early detection and treatment are essential to prevent irreversible damage. Unfortunately, many healthcare practitioners don't routinely test for B12 levels. It's crucial to be proactive about your health. If you experience any symptoms of B12 deficiency, consult a healthcare professional knowledgeable about nutrition. They can assess your B12 levels and recommend appropriate treatment. Vitamin B12 plays a critical role in maintaining optimal mental health. One of its primary functions is to help produce neurotransmitters. These are chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells in the brain. When B12 levels are low, neurotransmitter production can become disrupted. This can lead to a wide range of neuropsychiatric symptoms. These range from mild cognitive impairment, such as brain fog and memory problems, to more serious conditions like depression, anxiety, and even psychosis. Many studies have established a strong link between B12 deficiency and an increased risk of depression. Some research suggests that B12 supplementation may improve mood and cognitive function in individuals with B12 deficiency and depression. If you're struggling with your mental health, it's crucial to consider the possibility of a B12 deficiency. Addressing any underlying nutritional deficiencies is an essential step in supporting overall mental well-being. B12 is not just essential for brain health, it's also vital for the proper functioning of your entire nervous system. B12 plays a crucial role in the formation and maintenance of myelin. This is the protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers and allows electrical impulses to travel efficiently throughout the body. When B12 levels are insufficient, myelin production can be impaired. This can lead to nerve damage, a condition known as peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy can cause a range of debilitating symptoms, including numbness, tingling, weakness, and pain in the extremities. In severe cases, B12 deficiency can even lead to problems with balance, coordination, and gait. This can increase the risk of falls, especially in older adults. Early detection and treatment of B12 deficiency are essential to prevent or slow the progression of nerve damage. Section 5. The physical toll of B12. Deficiency fatigue, numbness, and more. While the mental health effects of B12 deficiency are significant, it's equally important to be aware of the physical symptoms. One of the most common signs of B12 deficiency is fatigue. B12 is essential for energy production in cells. When levels are low, your body struggles to convert food into usable energy. This can leave you feeling drained and exhausted, even after a good night's sleep. In addition to fatigue, other physical symptoms of B12 deficiency include numbness or tingling in the hands and feet, weakness in the limbs, difficulty walking and maintaining balance, pale skin, a sore and inflamed tongue, mouth sores, constipation or diarrhea, weight loss, rapid heartbeat, and shortness of breath. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause. Don't dismiss these symptoms as simply a sign of aging or stress. They could indicate a serious underlying deficiency. Section 6. B12 from food nourishing your body the natural way. The best way to prevent B12 deficiency is to consume a diet rich in B12-rich foods. Animal products are the primary source of vitamin B12. This is because plants do not naturally contain B12. Here are some of the best dietary sources of B12. Liver. Beef liver is a nutritional powerhouse, containing the highest concentration of B12 of any food. Other organ meats, kidney, heart, and other organ meats are also excellent sources of B12. Seafood clams, sardines, salmon, and tuna are all good sources of B12. Beef. Beef is a good source of B12, especially grass-fed beef. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of B12, particularly the yolk. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt contain some B12, but the amounts are generally lower than in other animal products. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, it's crucial to incorporate B12 fortified foods into your diet or take a B12 supplement. Nutritional yeast is a popular vegan source of B12. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods and including a variety of B12-rich options, you can ensure you're getting an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. Section 7. The problem with synthetic B12. Cyanocobalamin and its drawbacks. While many supplements contain vitamin B12, not all forms of B12 are created equal. One common form of B12 found in supplements is cyanocobalamin. While cyanocobalamin is a synthetic form of B12, it's not the most bioavailable form. This means your body may not absorb and utilize it as efficiently as natural forms of B12. Cyanocobalamin contains a cyanide molecule. While the amount of cyanide in typical doses of cyanocobalamin is generally considered safe for most people, some individuals may be more sensitive to its effects. Additionally, the process of converting cyanocobalamin into its active forms in the body can put a strain on the liver and kidneys, especially in individuals with compromised liver or kidney function. Section 8. Choosing the right B12. Supplement methylcobalamin for optimal absorption. For optimal absorption and utilization, it's generally recommended to choose B12 supplements that contain methylcobalamin. Methylcobalamin is a naturally occurring form of B12 that's already in its active form. This means your body can readily use it without the need for conversion. Methylcobalamin is also the form of B12 that crosses the blood-brain barrier most effectively. This makes it particularly beneficial for supporting cognitive function and neurological health. When choosing a B12 supplement, look for high-quality products from reputable brands. It's also a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs. Section 9. Reclaiming your health. Prioritizing B12 for a vibrant life. Vitamin B12 is an indispensable nutrient that plays a fundamental role in maintaining both mental and physical well-being. From supporting brain health and nerve function to promoting energy production and protecting against fatigue, B12 is essential for a vibrant and fulfilling life. By understanding the importance of B12, recognizing the signs and symptoms of deficiency, and prioritizing B12-rich foods in your diet, you can take proactive steps to ensure you're meeting your body's needs. Remember, neglecting your B12 intake can have significant consequences for your health. By making informed choices about your diet and lifestyle, you can reclaim your health and experience the transformative power of optimal B12 levels. If you suspect you may have a B12 deficiency, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. A healthcare professional can assess your B12 levels and recommend appropriate treatment options.